Hello, today is the 21st sorry, 2nd of March, and it's of 9 or 17 already. I am very late to making this question solution. Okay, we have a question today: merge 2D arrays by summing values. Okay, it's a easy problem, but it's up to a medium level. Okay, so we have given two arrays, two 2D arrays, nums1 and nums2, and in this nums1 we have a id I and value of I indicates that the number with the id I has a value equal to the value of I. Okay, and nums2 has also the same. Okay, and each array contains unique IDs and is sorted in the ascending order by IDs. Okay, now we have to do what? Merge the two arrays into the one array that is sorted into the ascending order by ID. Respecting the following condition: only IDs that appear in at least one of the two arrays should be included in the resulting array. Okay, and each ID should be included only once, and its value should be sum of the values of this ID in two arrays. And if the ID doesn't exist in the two arrays, then assume its value is 0. Okay, we have to return the resulting array. Okay, like this is a problem of merging two arrays. Okay, and the merging two arrays. Okay, and in this we have to merge two arrays. If it is the same key, then we have to take the value of the second and 4. Okay, 2 and 4, which is mean to be 6 after adding it. And if it is doesn't exist in this, okay, like 2 doesn't exist in, or 3 doesn't exist in this, so we take individually in this in our resultant array. Okay, so when we take first id, so first id here is also present, so 1 so resulting is 2 plus 4 6. Here it is coming, 2 isn't present in this. Okay, so we take directly it to here, and 3 is also 3 is not present here, so we are taking directly here. Okay, and 4 is present in this nums1 also and nums2 also, so we are taking sum of these values. 5 plus 1 6, so 4 for 4 we are taking it 6. Okay, you can see that. Okay, and similarly in this let's suppose 2 is not present, so we are taking 2 directly. 3 is not present here, so 3 is directly, and 5 is not present, 5 is taken directly. 1 is not present, so 1 is coming directly. 4 is not present, 4 is coming directly. But this is already given, we have to return it in shorted format, so this is shorted format. Okay, and these are the constants, so you can see that the lengths are the 200, and the nums2 means this means that nums1 and nums2 has an 2D array and has equal size of individual nums of 1 of I and nums of 2 of nums of 2 of j, because 2 4 3 6 mainly it means a pair exists of a vector for in each of nums1 and nums2. Okay, and here values are mentioned, and here it is given that both array contains unique IDs and arrays are strictly ascending order by ID, and we have given that arrays are sorted by their IDs. Okay, so we can see that we have to return the array in the sorted format. But if we want to go with the brute force approach, what we can do, we can just take it one here and try to search in it. Okay, when you get to try to search in it, okay, it takes off and time. Okay, so if it's just fine, then I just add in it with its value. Okay, if it is like for 2 we doesn't find it in it. Okay, so we are taking 2 3 directly value, so we repeat on this. Okay, we repeat on this, and what we do now, we do actually, we check on this nums2 that if it is present, 1 is present here, so means it is actually already come. Okay, means it is already come through this, but 3 is not come, so we are checking on 3, then we are adding in the resultant in the 3. Okay, now the resultant array, we find the 1 2 1 6 1 6 2 3 and 4 6 and 3 2. So this is not sorted, we actually find, so we just sort it by the first value of that array, means by their IDs. We can just sort it, we can just apply sort function, then it just by default sort according to the first value of this. Okay, means by ID. Okay, so this is the brute force approach. It takes O of n times to search for every variable, so O of n square times. So this is not efficient, so we are going with the efficient approach. So efficient approach exists for this, like merging This is a basic common problem and standard problem merging merging 2D arrays by summing values. We can see that the merging two intervals problems we can apply those solutions. So we are coming to the O of n plus m approach, means we are taking only on n plus nums 1 size n1 and nums 2 size of n2. So we are going to solve this question into O of n1 plus n2. Otherwise it will be n1 into n2. Okay, how can we do this? We just use two pointer approach. Okay, let's just zoom it. Okay, yeah, we take a variable n1 and n2 for initializing the variable and two pointers to keep it track, and we are just taking I is less than n1, j is less than n2, and I just checking on these whereas like on this like x 1 second, yeah, 1 and 1, I just keep pointer on y, I pointer on this and j pointer on this. Okay, and checking if the first value is equal, then I just add second value of both and just push back with these first values and increase both pointers. Otherwise, if nums 2 has greater values, means firstly I have to push the nums 1's values, so I just put it from here, and otherwise I put it from nums 2. Other sequentially you can see that the what are we doing. Otherwise lastly we can see that the increase the pointers, you know. Okay, then we check if it is I left until now, means so we can make it clear now and push the result left values of nums 1 into the resultant, and if jth is remains also some values of nums 2 also remains left, then we are just putting it from here while applying a while loop up to the j doesn't becomes n2. Okay, and at finally we are returning result, and you can see that we can submit the solution. Okay, let's just submit the solution. Okay, all test cases passed. Let's just submit the solution. Okay, you can see that it's beat 100% user because it's optimized complex. Okay, optimized approach. Okay, if you like this solution, just like the video and comment something good which motivates me. Okay, thanks. And if you want this code, just DM me, I just share you. Okay, you just comment me, I just share you. Okay, thanks.